What is going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Got an exciting one for you guys today. I'm going to be backtesting a strategy I've been playing around with on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so obviously I'm not an expert at it yet, but that's why we backtest to get better. It's very simple, similar to my strategy that I use now, except obviously we're scaling down to the 15-minute time frame. We're going to be trading off of key levels, trading with the trend, and then we're going to use the entry time frame, our 15-minute, to find patterns and price action patterns to find our entries. Okay, so we're going to be going on GBPJPY because I find it has a lot of volatility and it's great for these shorter term time frames. Okay, so you guys will pick it up as we go along. Very simple and it's pretty fun to use. So let's get going. What I'll do is scroll up over here and we'll just go back a bit and make sure we're not cheating. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're on the 4 hour here, and that's simply just to identify the key structural levels in the market. Okay, so first of all, we can see a little consolidation zone right over here, and we are just chilling. Okay, now we've broken this zone. Okay, so this is an important little area here. You can just see that on the line chart, broken this zone. Let's see what happens. If we get a retest back to this key level, okay, so let me just look at this on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's not quite there yet. If we see this candle push up on the 1 hour, we can flip to the, okay, I don't mind this at all. Let's flip, actually, let's go to the 15-minute and let's see what happens. Okay, so looking for potential double tops to form here, some nice engulfing candles, couple of weak rejections. Ooh, okay. So there you can see we have a nice little double top at the key level. The 4 hour is in a bearish structure. The 1 hour has come back for the retest, created a double top. And now we see a 15-minute double top rejection with a nice engulfing candle. Okay, so the good thing about this strategy is you can go pretty aggressive. Okay, you don't have to put wide-ish stops on. Okay, just above the key levels, above the wicks. Okay, so we'll go a 1 to 2 back down to these levels over here. See how it goes. Okay, nice start. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so at this stage, I would move to break even because we're probably sitting at a 1 to 1. So let's see what happens here. Do we continue? Okay, so probably a break even trade there to start with. Not bad. Nice little trade. Realistically, probably should have put my stop back down at these key levels down here, but still a nice trade. We could actually look for another entry over here. Whoops, I just saw it went down. Okay, but potentially another entry. Let's see what happens here. No, probably not gonna get it. Maybe. Ooh, okay. Looking at this, let's flip back to the 1 hour. Okay, so we can see that we have formed a little double top again back to this key level. We failed to make new highs. Okay, and it looks like if we can get a breakdown here. Okay, let's flip to the 15-minute again. I just want to see a nice biggish candle. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to enter on here. We can see this nice double top over here. Some nice momentum shift candles. The 1 hour structure is looking good. And this time we're just going to go back down to these levels. 1 to 1.4. Let's see what happens. Could look at another entry if we, okay. So now we can form a more aggressive entry on that new double top, which is just formed over here. And I do like some sells here. We'll go a bit more aggressive. Look for a 1 to 2. Okay, doesn't look like we're going to get triggered in, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so let's flip back to the 1 hour and continue our analysis. We'll just clear this. By the way, we're on break even after one trade. Okay, so here's this key level. We are creating another double top. Oh, here we go. I'm actually going to enter here again, and just go maybe even a 1-to-1 risk to reward back down to these key levels, simply just on a nice double top. Not looking good, not looking good. Still like the structure, but no, we're stopped out, okay? So that's minus 1R. Okay, so every time I'm risking only 1R, and trying to take some bigger wins, minus 1R. Okay, so probably got caught up a bit in that structure over there, and realistically should have just left it, okay? Let's flip back to the 4-hour, and continue this analysis. This goes down, okay. So reset here, new phase of the market. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is a nice little structure we could look to trade off, depending on if we break out or not. Okay, so there's the break, a little retest. Okay, so we flip to the 1-hour, we can see a nice little retest back to that key level. If we flip to the 15-minute, we do see a little double bottom. Okay, we see some nice wicks, a nice rejection candle, and we can look to enter on this candle right here, put in an aggressive stop loss, and go our 1 to 2. Actually, we'll go 1 to 3 on this because there is not a lot of obstruction to our left here. Okay, so price, if it goes up, there's not a lot that could potentially stop it. So we're going to let this one run, see how it goes. Nope. Okay, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Like the analysis on that, but we'll take a loss again. Okay, flip back to the 1-hour, and you can see we just didn't get that rejection. Minus 1R. Okay, let's keep going. That's the thing with this strategy, guys. You only need one win, one big win, and then you're back in the game. Okay, so don't lose hope. We can see a nice little break to the down here. Retest, looking really good. Okay, looking really good. If we flip to the 15-minute, we want to see a nice rejection on this key level, and that'll be a great spot to enter. I'm going to wait for a double top, and I hope I don't regret it. Come on. Ooh. Okay, this is some nice structure over here. We can put in a very aggressive trade, and I like the look of this trade. We'll go very aggressive, 14 pip stop loss, and let this one run a 1 to 4. Okay, again, not a lot of obstruction to the left. We can let this run. Let's see how it goes. Just want to see price shoot down. There we go. There we go. Come on. We'll just play this out. Boom. There you go. Okay, so potentially could have moved this to break even. Okay, but because we had this level over here to the downside, a retest back to this key level was probably quite likely. Okay, and there you can see we have that nice little structure, and that's 4R. Okay, so we're up 2R overall. Nice little trade. Okay, that's how simple it is. Wait for the key levels, and then you just go big or go home. 4R. Okay, so we're up 2R after 4 trades. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, so if we come back to this level, we could potentially... No, okay. Reset. Look at some new trading opportunities. Let's just get rid of all of this and set up a new structure. Okay, so a lot of noise right now. Not looking to take massive trades. Gonna wait for the market to show me some bias. Breakout above. Okay, nice little structure. Hopefully we get a retest. Ooh. Okay, we'll flip to the 1-hour. Just have a look at this. Ideally, we want to get a bit deeper. Okay, but we'll flip to the 15-minute and see how price reacts at this level. Hopefully we can get it. Ooh. Doesn't look too good. Doesn't look too good. Okay. Flip back to the 1-hour and let's see how price reacts over here. Okay, so we've broken down to the downside. Okay, so here's our structure here. We can see price pushing back to that level. we can look for some selling opportunities. Perfect. Okay, flip back to the 1 hour. Okay, keep in mind there is a bit of a trend to the upside on this retest. Okay, so we want to see a nice double top form. Okay, before we look to trade. Hopefully price can push back. Whoa. Okay, this is an interesting little setup. I don't love how we haven't quite pushed back into this key level, but we'll flip to the 15-minute and just see how price reacts to this. Okay, not seeing that momentum shift. Maybe a double top. Could potentially look all right. But yeah, not loving this setup. Just a bit of muffle. Okay, so if we can form a double top here, that would be something to look at just quietly. No. Okay, flip back to the 1 hour. Didn't get that rejection, so we keep going. Okay, we'll actually go to the 4H again and see if we can potentially break out above this level. Nope. Okay, so we're still just going, wait for some structure to form. Not going to rush into anything over here. Okay, so nice little structure break here. Want to see a retest back to that level. There we go. Okay, so flip to the 1 hour. And we can already see a bit of a double bottom. Flip to the 15-minute. So if we can see price push back here and continue up, that could be a possible long opportunity. Oof. Okay, I don't like how we don't have any wicks. And because this thing is pushing down so heavily, probably not the best. If it goes, it goes. Let's see what happens. Damn. Should have hopped on. Oh well. Missed out. Let's reset. Just reset. Okay, let's actually clear this. It's a whole new market structure, so I'm not concerned about all that to the left. Okay, so this is something to trade off. Okay, a nice little higher high, fail to make a new high, then we get the breakout. Now we see a retest. Maybe not the best structure this. Look on the 15-minute. You know what? I actually might take this. Okay, so we get the breakout. Okay, we come back on the 1 hour. So imagine this is on the 1 hour. First touch, push up, come back on the 1 hour again. So this is the second touch on that 1 hour double bottom. And now we've got another double bottom on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so high confluence trade. Take the buy stop just around here. Going to put a stop loss below that key level. And we'll go our 1 to 2. Okay, not going crazy because of all this noise to the left. Trying to move to break even around this level over here. Not a bad start. Potentially a re-entry opportunity, but we're just going to stick with what we already have. Okay, but could look to take another trade on this new double bottom, but we're already in it. Let's see how this goes. No. Not looking good. Not looking good. Okay, we're stopped out there. Okay, I guess maybe we could have hit a break even. Back up to these levels potentially, but you know, how much is our stop loss? 33. Yep. Okay, so we'll call that a loss. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so minus 1R, so we're still up 1R. Minus 1R. Okay, let's keep going. Let's look at this structure over here. We've already got a bit of a break and a retest. Okay, I like this. I like this structure a lot. Nice breakout below. See the 1 hour coming back. Already have a 15-minute double top. Ooh, not enough. Not enough. There we go. Okay. Pardon me. Okay, so here's the breakout. We see the retest on the 1 hour. Then we see a nice double top on the 15-minute. First touch there. Second touch right here. Lots of weak rejections, indecision. go an aggressive trade, and we'll go a 1 to 3. Okay. Do you like this? It is looking good. Oh, no. Potentially could have moved to break even again. How big's our stop? 18. And we got to 20. So we're going to call that a break even, okay? Because usually when price hits this 1-to-1 risk reward, we move our stop loss to break even. Actually, you know what? Let's call it a miss, okay? We'll call it a loss. Again, -1R. Not the end of the world. Let's keep going and reset. So again, -1R. Okay, still keep going. Massive market gap over here, so we're just going to reset. Look for some new structures to trade off. So big moves here. Big moves. So at this stage, market isn't moving much, okay? So I'm just going to be waiting patiently. We do actually have a break of structure here. And you can just see we're pushing to the upside, create a higher low right over here. Okay, then we get the breakout, little ascending triangle. There's the retest, not looking bad at all. Flip to the 15-minute. Okay, if we see a nice bullish candle, we can look to enter. Ooh, I like that. Actually, you know what? We're going to wait for a double bottom. Why? Because we've seen a little trend form on this retest. Okay, so we want to see price come back. Oh no. No. Missed it. Ah, damn it. Okay, well, you saw the analysis there. That would have been a nice little trade. But because we had this shift to the downside, I wanted to see a double bottom form. Didn't quite get it. Not the end of the world. Okay, keep going. Reset. Actually flip to the 4-hour just to get a clearer picture. Okay, so double top just formed, break to the upside. Okay, so structure here. Let's see if we get a retest. Yes, we do. So big momentum to the downside, but we're going to see if we can get a rejection here. Not looking terrible. Not looking terrible. Okay, we can see a nice engulfing candle, some wick rejections, and we are going to enter this trade. Go a 40 pip stop and a 1 to 2. Nice. Double bottom. We're going to actually enter a new position as well, okay? Because I really do like this structure. Put our stop. Again, very safe stop. And we'll just go a 1 to 1. Actually, we'll go back up to this structure over here. Actually, just a 1 to 1. Otherwise, it'll make it much too complicated. Looking good, looking good. Come on. Oh, no. Now we're just seeing a consolidation. There we go. That's nice. That is really nice. Okay. So although the market moved sideways for quite some time, the initial analysis was still there. Retest back to this key level, rejection. Okay. And from that point on, you can just see this uptrend begin to form. Okay. So although the market moved sideways, we still had that initial analysis and we can still take those trades. Okay. We don't have to exit just because the market's moving sideways. Okay. So that in total is plus 3R again. Okay. So first trade, simply just a rejection of this key level. Second trade, we see a higher high and then we see a higher low formed. Nice big engulfing candle as well. Okay. Very simple trading. Okay, we'll go one more trade after this because I think it's been quite a good session. So we're up 7R, 6R, 5R, 4R, 3R, up 3R. Okay, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, let's keep going. One more trade. Hopefully we can get a nice little win. Okay, so there is a bit of a structure that's just formed here. Okay, want to see a nice break below. There we go. Retest. Oh, no, that's not it. Okay, so that's just not the retest we're looking for. Now we get a break above this key level. Okay, so let's look how price reacts now. Okay, so continue up. All right, let's disregard this. New structure's formed. Not going to trade right now. Okay, look for a break out of this structure. Okay, here's the break. Hopefully we can get a nice retest back to this key level. No, that's fine. Let's keep... Ooh. Okay, very interesting structure here. Okay, because we formed a double top, failed to make new highs, break below the key level, essentially just created a lower low, retest back to the key level, and we're anticipating a new higher low, lower high to be made. Okay, so although it's quite a big break and a big retest, the structure remains the exact same. Okay, so let's flip to the 1 hour. We already have a bit of a double top on the 1 hour. Okay, so behavior is looking good. Wow, this could be a nice trade. If we see price, there's one top there. Okay, if we see price push down from here, you can see some nice wicks. That's not what we wanted. Okay, so now I want to see a new double top form. Okay, because of that structure there. Boom, that is looking amazing. Okay, so we'll go again, quite an aggressive trade, and we'll go with our 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3 back down to these key levels. Last trade, let's be audacious. Okay, so I'm just trading this double top here. We can see a new lower low has been made, anticipating a new lower high. Okay, let's see how this pans out. Nice start. Do we get a retest? Whoa. Come on. It's not looking good. Not looking good. No, stopped out there. Okay, that's fine. I really like the analysis of that trade. So we're going to finish on plus 2R. Okay, so minus 1R. So that's 7R, minus 6R, 5R, 4R, 3R, 2R. Okay, so 2R in the end after what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. Okay, and that just shows you, all right, my win rate is what? 2 out of 8. Okay, 1 break even, and I'm still up. Okay, so risk management #1. Okay, let your winners run, cut your losses. Okay, always use a stop. Don't get emotional about it. Okay, as long as you follow your rules, okay, and you consistently execute it, you'll make money. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed that little play around. Obviously, I'm not an expert at it, as you can see. But yeah, still learning. Very fun to trade on the lower time frames. But as always, be very careful. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Follow me on Instagram, Discord, whatever. Hope you guys learned something. Thanks.